It's a really powerful documentary.
Ik vond de film al in dat opzicht wel indrukwekkend. In de zin dat het echt een inzage geeft in, ja, ook in de tegenslagen die hij heeft gehad als persoon. Ondanks al die tegenslagen toch blijft werken voor zijn idealen. Het is echt, zeg maar, de patiënt eerst en luisteren naar de patiënt.
The way I've seen working Franjo with this passion and this generosity, I never have seen it before.
When you sit behind a desk in a computer, you don't really get exposed to this kind of information as much. We know everything, what we do in the company, we know how we produce the product and more or less how it gets to the patients, but we don't really know the story after that.
The benefit, the beauty of those documentaries is they put things in perspective and they actually save you the time and energy of doing the bibliographic search. You get everything condensed in a short and perfectly easy viewing time.
I think it may touch other people who don't know anything about medical cannabis. Yeah, and it may go beyond the movement because it's not only about cannabis as medicine, it's his personal story. And so I hope it will spread the word.
So I think it is certainly highly recommended to view that documentary.